Say the first thing once more.
So, Michelle made some new random internet friends.
I know! I know exactly!
We were talking last night. Michelle and I were laughing in tandem. Like in perfect tandem, breath synchronized and everything on accident. And one of the guys, his name is not name. We call him Zen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And he was like, "What is happening? I am listening."
I am dead in my leg!
Michelle has no heart for this. I have needles. Go away. Fear the needles. Fear me. I'm going to scare you away with pointy objects.
Yes.
Hey, Mom.
We're laughing at a good time!
There is no good time with you.
Oh, the ground next to a street! The last time you got me like this is better than sitting in a chair.
Yeah, at least you didn't fall over. You sat down first.
Michelle, you know what we should do? See who's on Discord right now.
That's what I was thinking.
Then why are you filming it?
So that, this is documented.
Shut your camera off.